Yeah, hello, our dear viewers. Welcome back to yet another edition. In our today's tutorial, we're going to look at the two best websites that learners can use, and even those who want to learn programming, those who want to advance in programming, can use to explore more concepts about programming languages. Here today, I've brought you to Desk. I've brought you best two links or websites, and one is called roadmap.sh and the second one is called exercise.org. These are the best two websites that one can use to explore more about programming languages at no cost. Remember, these ones are at no cost. At no cost. Let's jump into one of our browser and we explore these ones. So open any of your browser. I'm using Chrome, and we try the first one called roadmap.sh. Sorry, so roadmap. Server not found. Roadmap.sh. Yeah, like this. So you can see developer roadmaps. Yeah. So your role best. So you either if you're a front end or a back end, or you want to learn about Android or DBA or the blockchain. Flutter, you want to specialize in mobile apps development, you either go to Android or Flutter. Then the skill based, you can go to computer science, Python, Angular, React, JavaScript, Go roadmap, design system, software design, depending on your specialization or what you'd like to explore. So for this case, let me go to my Java. Let's explore something on Java. So when you go to Java, like Java developer, you have a lot of things to relate. So you have the basic syntax, you have the data types, you have the conditions, you have the data structure. For example, if you look at the basic syntax of Java, if you are creating an output, it is system.out.print in your line. Then if you initiate in the input, that is scanner or the buffered reader. So there are explicitly very many languages you can explore more when you're using roadmap. So if you use another one there for the second site called exercise.org, let's expound this one also. You can get really good at programming. So there are very many languages, explicitly to 62 programming languages with unique brand of learning. So among these ones, you can explore these more languages, explore languages. So you can say we have the ABAB, we have the C, C++, we have the COBOL, there are very many. We have C#, we have the Bash, you can even search, say Java. You need Java, it has both JavaScript and Java. So you have 130 exercises for Java and 17 concepts. Then for JavaScript, we have 140 exercises, 30 concepts. In this case, let me explore something on the JavaScript. So when you go to JavaScript, so you have to learn about the JavaScript. So JavaScript is a programming language that allows web pages to be dynamic. It is an interpreted language, which means that it does not need to be compiled. Instead, the interpreter, such as a web browser, will paste the code and turn it into a code that their machine can run. So when you explore more about the JavaScript, be able to see all this. the numbers, arithmetic operators, the strings, the booleans, the arrays, conditionals, the comparison. Here is the full course of JavaScript if you're really interested in JavaScript. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next coming tutorial.